Good morning, children. In the last class, we completed the friction chapter. Till now, we completed two chapters. That is the first chapter, that is force, and the next one is the friction. I hope that you have understood the two chapters. If you are having any doubts, you can comment in the YouTube, or even you can write in the notebook. Okay, whatever that you are submitting to me. Okay, right. Okay, children. Next, I'm going to start another chapter. I'm going to start the another chapter, beta. That is the sixth chapter. Reflection of light by plane surface. Reflection of light at plane surface. Reflection of light at plane surface. Okay. First, before learning about the reflection of the light, see here, children, before learning the reflection of light at plane surfaces, first we should know what is the light first of all. Then we should know that what is reflection. Then you should know what is the plane surface. Okay, like that one after the other we will be learning. Therefore, first we will be learning about what is light. Okay, what do you mean by light? Okay, what makes the light? Where we see light? Okay, I'm asking that, where is the light? Okay, what happens if there is no light? What is light? Okay, right. When I asked what is light, okay, some of the children said that, sir, light is the one which we on the light during the night time. So my question is that, can we not have the light in the morning session? Yes, we are having. Yes, sir. In my house, in the morning also we will close the door, as well as after closing the door, we will on the light. Okay, of course, it is the light, but light means which makes us to see one another. Okay, I can able to see you and you can able to see me only in the presence of the light. If there is no light, we cannot see each other. If there is no light, we cannot see each other. Okay, children? Okay, light plays a very, very important role, okay, in our life. Light plays a very, very important role in our life. Normally, even though if a person is having a very bright eyes and very good eyes, okay, very excellent eyes, but if there is no light, we cannot able to see. Normally, we can see a cell phone. Cell phone. Can you take a snap during the night time? No, we cannot able to take a snap during the night time. Why we cannot able to take? Why? Because it requires the light. In order to, can you see anything, any object during the night time? If you go near to any places near that in the darkness, can you see the things in the darkness? No, we cannot able to see the things in the darkness. Why we cannot able to see the things in the darkness? Why? Because there is no light. Okay. Therefore, what do you mean by light? Light is a form of energy. Light. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the beautiful world around us. To see the beautiful world around us. Children, in order to see the beautiful world, in order to see the blossoms of the flowers, in order to see the blossoms of flowers, or in order to see the beautiful world around us, the trees, the plants, the mountains, everything, okay, we require the light. Okay, light enables us to see the beautiful world around us. If there is no light, we can't able to see the things around us. Really. Okay, if there is no light, we can't able to see the things anymore. Okay, therefore light is a form of energy. Okay, light is a form of energy, sound is a form of energy, electricity is a form of energy. All are forms of the energy. Okay, but light makes us to see the beautiful world around us, to see the wonderful world around us. Okay, right, right. Then where do the light come from? Sir, light come from tube light, sir. Sir, light come from candle, sir. Sir, light come from one insect, sir. Sometimes I have seen in the darkness some glowing insect I have seen, sir. Therefore, light comes from there, sir. Sir, light comes from the fire, sir. Okay. Sir, light comes from the sun, sir. Yes. Okay, all these are the sources of light. All these, whatever that I said now, okay, candle is a source of light. Sun is a source of light. A matchstick is a source of light. Whenever when you light and you rub the matchstick with a matchbox, normally a light can be seen. Okay. Therefore, it is a source of light. Okay, children. It is a source of light. That means all the light. That means all the sources of the light are candle is a source of light. Candle. Okay, light, torch light, tube light, okay, cellulites are cellulite. All these are the sources of the light, which gives the light. Okay, right. Next. Okay, first we learn that what is light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the beautiful world around us. Okay, next we have seen that, light, we are getting of the light from some sources. Okay, that candle is a source of light, like that we have seen. Okay, right. Next, light, can it travel? Where it travels? Light. Yes, sir. Light travels anywhere, sir. Yes, light travels anywhere. Light is the one which travels in the medium as well as it can travel in the absence of the medium. Light can travel. Light can travel in medium and in the absence of medium. Absence of medium. Where this absence of medium is called as vacuum. Okay, light can travel in the medium and as well as in the absence of the medium. In the absence of medium, light can travel in the medium as well as in the absence of the medium, which we call it as vacuum. Light can travel in the medium and as well as vacuum. Then what do you mean by medium? Medium means it is the source where the energy is traveling. Okay. Medium means it is the source where energy is traveling. In order to travel from one place to another place, there should be some means. Okay. In order to travel from here to my home, I need an auto, or I need a bus, or I need a bike, or I need a bicycle, anything. Therefore, that is called as a medium, which transpose me from one place to the another place. Normally, language, whatever that we are speaking, it is also comes under the medium. Okay, why? Because we can able to communicate with each other only if there is a medium, if there is only a language, common language. Even in the absence of the common language, if there is no medium, we cannot. Therefore, sir, then where the light travels? In what medium? Light can travel in the air. Air is the medium. Light can travel in the water. Water is the medium. Light can travel in the glass. Glass is the medium. Light can travel in my clothes. Clothes is the medium. Okay. Sir, light can travel in the window. Window is the medium. Window glass. Okay. Wherever the source where the light can travel, it is called as the, okay, it is the medium. Medium means it is the source through which energy is transmitted. In the medium, Only energy is transmitted. Medium is the source through which energy is transmitted. Here, medium is the source through which energy is transmitted. Okay, then examples of medium: air, water, glass, paper. Okay, paper. Window glasses. Okay, etc. These are the examples of the medium. Here, the medium is the source through which energy is transmitted. Medium is the source through which energy is transmitted. Okay, that means here air, water, glass, paper, window glasses, etc. All these are the medium. Okay, children, have you understood? Okay, today we learn about what is light and where the light travels, how the light travels. Okay, the remaining we'll be learning in the next class. Thank you.